What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. Again, I know I haven't posted in a while. That is my fault. There's a video being filmed, but a whole bunch of other content got deleted, so I haven't been able to post a long video. And but today, I know I'm trying to get the other video out, but I know today, well, tonight we're going fishing. And we're going with one of my brothers, a good friend, and my brother's wife, Rebecca. And we're gonna have a good time fishing. We're gonna see if we can get on them big old channel cats, blue cats, whatever. We're gonna have a good time. And again, I'm sorry for not posting. I'm really trying. I'm trying to get videos out there. I'm trying my best, y'all. But again, I thank y'all for watching and subscribing to my stuff. I think we had 1,000-something views on the coon hunting one. It means a lot to me, and I know 1,000 of y'all, I made y'all probably happy watching videos, so I'm gonna just keep posting and posting. But again, I appreciate y'all for watching, and we will be headed there in just a little bit. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna have a good time. Oh, we are here at the spot. We're gonna get everything loaded up. Gotta get the fishing. We gotta get the bait on. I gotta get the fishing poles.
I hate that motherfucker right there. How many times that little truck right there can't catch a fish? What he said?
He said that way he caught more than
he only caught 2 more than me. That stupid son gun did.
Oh, they're gonna be funny putting that on YouTube. Oh, we got the wagon set up. We got Hector.
Stop talking so loud.
Rebecca. We gonna get a fishing car.
I'm not Rebecca, it's Leanne.
No, we're gonna get all this loaded up and then we're gonna head down there to the spot. Pick y'all up there. Stay tuned. Austin just caught this beautiful catfish. Let's get it. Time to get the fish on, son. Fish on. No, not today, you big fat chicken breath.
Get off of me, man. Why am I lying with that one? What? I didn't do it. I didn't do it. How are we supposed to come in and get the catfish before we get? Huh? That's supposed to be good.
We decided to let them mother humper go. No. See. You alive? Yeah, we ain't kicking. Oh, yeah, there you go. Other way.
Don't wait on me. There you go. He just wants someone on the bite. That is a stupid fish. Huh? That's a stupid fish. Yeah. It's right there.
Oh yeah, it had to breathe. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah.
Stayed off your hook.
Yeah. Nope, nothing. Ain't got nothing on.
Make sure you take the bait off. Yeah.
Also caught one.
Hector caught one.
No, you had a bite.
I know it wasn't a bite. It was there.
No, you had a bite.
No, it was there. I called it. I saw it. I saw how big.
That don't count.
It counts.
You didn't hit the land.
Yeah, it did. It hit land. Yeah, it used to be land right there. It's water now. It used to be land. If that was land, I would land.
It's starting to rain pretty bad.
You know,
get out of here. Got the pole. Motherfucker beavers came up too. They're trying to get out of here. I got some more content. This probably ain't gonna be a long video, but you know, it's a video I gotta get out there. We had a fun time. May not have caught a lot of fish, but we caught some.
Get it done.
Austin did. That being said, we'll see you on the next one.